Now, from Into Tomorrow, this is an ITTV special report.
Hi, I'm Dave Graveline. Welcome into Tomorrow. We're here on the show floor of IFA 2013. IFA, of course, the global innovation show for consumer electronics and appliances, and all cool things, many being announced here at IFA. Let's take a peek at the show floor and stay tuned.
What you see here is our Magic Mirror TV with a 55-inch TV, so all functions are basically like a modern TV, like you know it from other brands. But our main features are that we put a special technology into that product, and the client can decide what kind of glass he wants to choose. In that case, it's a Magic Mirror. He can define the size, he can put a frame around it, and the main feature for sure is that if I switch off that TV, the TV becomes a mirror and you don't see any technique. This allows the seamless integration into design. Today everyone wants to have a TV in every room, but normally you have all the cables, you have to mount it somewhere, and you destroy maybe your interior design.
Okay, the 4K Ultra HD, which we presented here, is the WT600, and it's not only 4K, which means it's 4K, 4 times the resolution of Full HD. So we get a really high quality input signal. So this means not only for consumer electronics like players, we are already prepared for the future, but also for gamers, it's extremely important that we have a DisplayPort in, so you can enjoy 4K gaming right now.
The GX7, which is the model that we've actually got here, it's actually a retro-styled addition to the GX, the G series range of cameras. It's got a magnesium body, which makes it sort of very robust. It's got a great styling, but it's also very, very flexible in actual use.
Alright, so we're introducing the Brick this year, the Binatone Brick. So it's basically the first retro mobile phone ever. It looks like this. It's basically a very big mobile phone, right? And what it has a huge battery inside, right? So you're getting a mobile phone that has a battery that allows you to have a standby time of up to 3 or even up to 6 months, right? Now here's the clue. This mobile phone, you can put a SIM card and it is your mobile phone. Or you can, with Bluetooth, link it to your smartphone. But even more, you can stream music from your mobile phone onto this device. Because it also has a very big speaker, which you can see here on the back, so you can actually play music. So if I would go to the menu and play some music, can you hear it? So it's actually playing, you can see it's playing David Guetta from my phone, right? Now the last clue that we have in here is we actually got so much battery that we can power our smartphones. So you can see here, or maybe even better on this one, you can see we have a USB slot, and this USB slot allows me to charge my smartphone, which is permanently out of juice, with this Brick phone.
Don't worry, we're back on the show floor to show you more cool things here from Berlin and IFA 2013. Meantime, I want to remind you that if you see or hear anything on this ITTV highlights video from IFA that you want to know more about, or on our 2 3-hour radio shows, 2 weeks worth of radio coverage as well here from IFA with videotape of all of the interviews. So we're showing you all the products. It's kind of show and tell on the radio. When you hit us up at intotomorrow.com, you'll get those videos from all of our guests. But if you've got questions, use our free Into Tomorrow app, available for a plethora of devices, and ask those questions. Let us hear you, and we'll follow up and respond with answers to those questions. Or from anywhere in North America, you can call toll-free or Skype into us from anywhere in the world if you'd like. 1-800-899-INTO. That's 800-899-4686. Now, without further ado, back out on this awesome show floor here at IFA 2013.
So what we're talking about here is a newish product, a new product out just a few months ago from the brand Ultimate Ears. It's a product called UE Boom, and it's designed, well, it is the world's first social music player. The acoustic skin is acoustically transparent, but it's also water repellent. Okay, we've smeared tomato ketchup on this. We've smeared honey. It washes off. Stick it under the tap, you take it into the shower with you, it washes off. It connects by Bluetooth, and the sound it makes is extremely impressive. 360-degree sound.
What you see here is an Acoustic Island. The one we are standing next to is the world's smallest 3D cinema, because we have a 3D goggles on it, so you can watch 3D movies in it. And what it's all about, it's a chair equipped with speakers and body-focused sound membranes, so you can actually feel the sound, because the bass, the deeper frequencies are produced by, so to say, body shakers. And what happens in the chair stays in the chair, so it's your own private concert hall, cinema, whatever.
That's our greatest innovation on IFA. As you can see, it's not just a normal beard trimmer, because you can activate a laser right here. And as you can see, really have a straight line on your face.
First of all, it's a Bluetooth speaker. It's a nice looking Bluetooth speaker, and when it's closed, you can see that. And on the strap, and the battery pack inside. Put it, you go into the park, you go to the garden, to the beach, wherever you want. And in this part, we have all in one. And I show you this stuff.
Yum. You may be wondering why there's so many cool edible things at a Consumer Electronics Show. Well, that's because IFA is also all about consumer electronics and home appliances and the tech behind those. So we're at yet another exhibit that's doing live cooking, or in this case, live baking, and showing us how their innovative products will make your life more interesting and easier. IFA-Berlin.com for more information about all the exhibitors here. And of course, you don't want to miss a minute of our 2 weeks worth of radio shows. So that's 6 hours of interviews from all kinds of folks introducing cool new product here at IFA. And we've got videotape of all the radio interviews because most, if you will, are showing their cool new products for the first time. And we want you to see them. So be sure to check them all out at intotomorrow.com. And if you've got any questions at all about anything that you hear on the radio show or see on this ITTV update, be sure to let us know. 1-800-899-INTO, or better yet, from anywhere in the world, use our free Into Tomorrow apps and participate that way. We'll see you in our Miami studios next week, and thank you for tuning Into Tomorrow. Have a cookie or a cupcake or a piece of cake.